Hi, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be sharing with you how I did this jumbo twist, what hair I use, and I will also show you how I prepare the hair before I use it, because it can be quite nasty using it as fresh. Stay tuned. All right, so this is the hair I'm gonna be using. It's for afro hair. I bought enough. I bought like 5 packs, including a color. You don't need 5 packs, I believe, but this is quite big. If you look at it, it's quite big. You don't need 5 packs, but I'll be taking chunks. I think it might be too long for me, and I might divide it into this thing. So the first thing I'm gonna do is wash it in vinegar. I'm gonna soak it overnight. Then I'm gonna rinse off the vinegar. Then I'm gonna just wash it off, rinse it off, and then wash it with a bit of soaky water, just a little bit, and then rinse it off like 4 or 5 times, and then leave it to dry in the air. If you want to know how I do the vinegar and that, there is a video which you can watch, and I'm trying to insert that video here. So I don't know if I'm gonna cut the hair into two when I finally do it, because it's gonna be probably short for me, you know, once you so I think I'll stick to the length, because this is 44 inches length. I also don't want it too long, so I don't know if I cut it into two. Is longer than 3, isn't it? So we see what we can do. So this is all 4 of the vinegar, and I had about this much of the vinegar left, about that much, that level at the bottom left, and I've just poured everything in there with a bit of water in there. If I was to, you see how much, it's quite a big bucket, but every now and then what I'll come and do is turn it like that, get that bit underneath and stuff, and just go like this, and I'm gonna leave that overnight. If not, maybe do a day.
สีเกินกว่าหน้าอันนี้เว้ย